I'm still waiting for Dig. Are you in?
Loading.
You're loaded.
Yeah, right.
User joined your channel.
Father?
Hello. What?
Where you been, man? You're not in SO at the minute.
No, I'm going to log in into SO right now.
No, I mean in general, Not C3.
Oh, yeah, but I have exams and yeah, because it's weekend, I'm just logging in, doing research and stuff. But next week I won't be on, like the week before this week.
My exams first, man.
Yeah. And if I have got time left, I'll do some research and stuff, play a bit.
Woo!
Fucking hell, I get loads of XP for this one.
What are you guys doing?
Doobing it.
Spanking spiders. Oh, sweet.
I can taste your delicious.
What the hell happened?
Ouch.
I just got a loading screen.
Oh, man! Killed the tank.
Ouch.
Still on the loading screen.
You're still loading. Who's loaded?
I got a loading screen. I'm still in it.
What are you loading for?
How the fuck should I know?
That's not the time to be loading. Save the tank.
That was interesting.
Oh! Tried to put my banner down to heal myself. Boom! I'm stupid.
What the hell happened there?
My head is
We
pounding.
need to raise the dead.
I wonder if we'll ever see the commander.
Tell it's a low level. I got no soul gems left now.
Neither have I.
Fill it with.
I've got a few. Give me a minute.
You did.
Let's keep moving.
By the way, good night, guys.
Hi, mate.
No, I did.
No.
User disconnected from your channel.
What the hell? Who was out of soul gems?
All of them.
Everybody.
Just use 28 to get all. No, it's alright. I've got. How many have I got? I've got 6, but I need to be level 19. Give you some flowers. Because you're a girl. Girls like flowers and chocolate. And I'm fresh out of chocolate. Good bull ate it. On fire! Ah!
Think of a match.
Charles?
Oh, piss! This lazy fucker here, lot, stood with his back to us the entire time. This fucking NPC could have turned around and shot somebody. Fuck's sake. Fucking hate lazy, and I hate lazy NPCs even more because it's computer generated fucking laziness.
Hard to think. Look for survivors. This is where our own men turned on us. We had no choice. No options. My head. It hurts so much. What else could I do? It was them or us. They were insane, I tell you. Insane. of my head. The voice, it speaks to my soul. I know what I must do. Kill them! Kill them all! The Whisperer demands it.
Zombies!
Obey this person. Aid me!
Which one's the boss?
We just killed it.
No, the boss thing's still above my head, look. Right, there's two healers. I'm taking the left one.
Let them see her wisdom.
Taking the right
Kill
one.
me.
And they did.
Wow, it's got one hit.
Remember, you're only level 9. Shit's going down epic because the people inside of you. Even after 2.5 years, ball, I'm still telling you.
Did you just press?
Look,
Yeah.
book here, look.
You, all these people, you just... Seed and spleen, that was uncomfortable. I think my tail's gone numb.
Come to me and to my web. Join me
Fucking boss here.
Give me a minute.
Whoa. Right, there's 2 healers. I'll chain both the healers in and kill them. Sweet. Oh, I need a drink. I'm thirsty. Thank you. Right, you ready?
Ready?
Closer, come closer. Embrace the darkness.
Burn them all! Fucking Dragon Knight is so much better than Templar.
Incorruptible creature.
Alright, okay.
Heresy.
It's true though, fucking hell. Even grinding's more fun. Templar sucks bollocks.
Yeah, Templar was a slow grind until they've improved it recently, though, isn't it?
God, it's horrible. Right, what's the plan of plans? What do we do with this? Just fucking
Nuke it.
nuke the fucker. Kill the monster.
That thing is gonna spawn some webs or shit.
Yeah, watch that red shit on the floor. I've got to say, when the red stuff goes down, roll. Fucking die, you bitch! Die! Fucking die! Oh, it's dead.
Sit down.
Yeah, that bitch just got owned. I'm owning it. I'm owning it. Oh, I'm so close to another level, bastard. Not the pop band either.
You love them.
I think it's done. You're not going in normal like that. I think you guys should be done.
Can you not go in there? There's nothing in the lair.
I think it's only on the vet pledge.
You cannot open this door. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're right. It's the vet thing into where the vamp's in there.
Yeah.
Now that you've given, I feel so.
And there's my skill point.
Back my
I think I just leveled.
Yeah,
You did indeed. Ding.
Fucking 2 levels. You see that? I'm fucking epic. I got another skill point, and I've got a skill point waiting for me at the Undaunted thing in fucking Glenumbra. You level up, Bull?
Like 2% away.
And just kill something for you outside, that's it.
Yeah, we'll just nuke some shit. Get to level 10, you can go to PP then.
Yeah, I got 33 on my dynamite.
You're offline.
There's a dead guy! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, I just wanted to do that on my Nightblade, so I get the skill
Bad
point.
shot.
Right, I'm gonna try and land in that tree, you ready? Woo! Oh, I fucking headbutted it.